Hi, my name's Adam Allsop and I'm the director and founder of New Age Shutters. We are a family-run business incorporated in 2011. Our business specialises in the manufacture and supply of the highest quality bespoke shutters, all manufactured here in the heart of Kent. Our range of shutters are trialled via our in-house retailer, the Shutter Studio, who are based in the south of London. Producing the Allsop range here in the UK offers sustainable practices using renewable energy and recycled packaging while supporting the local economy. Having access to the right machinery to allow us to manufacture our product has been crucial to its success. Our UK factory has significantly reduced our clients' lead times and they are now able to offer a sustainable option. Our workshop also offers an excellent alteration service, meaning customers do not have to wait the usual 12 weeks for a repair or replacement from overseas, as we can now quickly and easily do this within our workshop. Okay, so firstly, this is our working stockpile. This is a small selection of the componentry that's been worked on at one time, and it's brought over from the main stockpile over there. The products are pulled out and then brought over to the high-speed cutting machine, which is all CNC controlled. Basically, this machine cuts every different component to the desired length, which then is put onto a trolley and brought round into the CNC machining centre. Every piece of machinery within this workshop is rigged up to a custom-made extraction system to ensure for a nice, safe, dust-free working environment for the team. As you can see here, here's a nice example of the tenons that are produced on the CNC machine. This here is the channel that's routed for our easy tilt mechanism. If we check here, you can see one actually being machined. Each section within this trolley houses the louvers for that particular panel. Once cut to length, we then finish the louvers on a high-speed painting machine. As the louvers go round, we introduce them just here. Firstly, they go through a sanding process. From the sanding process, they then go into a priming, then a dryer, then a second primer, second dryer, a second sanding process, which then moves on to the final finishing. We apply 2 coats of top coat that then go through a UV curing. As they come round, we simply flip them over, do the other side, load the trolleys up. So we come into the panel assembly line. One of the team will be preparing the stiles here by loading in the aluminium channels, easy tilt rod gearing system, and then putting your cover strips on, ready to go into panel production over here. As you can see here, this is a panel that's in production. This particular panel actually has a hidden hinge system. Paolo here is just preparing the louvers. He's loaded up the pins on one side and he's going to be gluing and tenoning the panel together. The stile itself is all prepped up, ready to accept the magnets and ready to go. So I'm now going to show you the clamping systems we use. This particular panel, once again, we've got hidden hinges. It's gone into the clamping rack. We apply the correct amount of pressure to set the mortise and tenon joins. We generally allow them to sit here for around 15 minutes before moving them on to the next section. As they come out the clamping racks, they go straight into the trolleys. As you can see here, we're now ready to put the panels together within the frames, and we're going to start looking at a finished shutter. Once again, this particular shutter has your hidden hinges, as opposed to this one, which has got your standard hinges. At the point where the frames have been cut to length, we want to be assembling the frames. So we bring them over here to the bench. Firstly, we're checking the miters. Are we happy with the miters? Are we happy with the tension within the Hoffman key? Again, if we've got hidden hinges, we will also set these in just to check how they're working. Are we happy with the depth? And then we're going to set things such as the T-post. This particular job has a T-post which sits behind the window mullions, houses your hinging points. Adam here is working on fixing the hidden tilt bar at the back on this one, making sure that all your caps are in place, hinges are on, ready to go into panel assembly. As you can see here, the guys are going over the final checks of the product before it's packaged and moves on to storage, ready to go out.